This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate and remove the floor panel to access the vehicle toolkit and spare wheel. Lift out the toolkit, then unscrew the retaining nut and lift out the spare wheel. Place chocks either side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Using the wire tool provided in the toolkit, pull the plastic covers from the wheel bolts. Using a special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the floor seam, indicated by a triangle in the sill. Rotate the jack handle clockwise and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. As a precaution against the jack failing, place the punctured wheel under the door sill. Locate the spare wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert the retaining bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the punctured wheel from beneath the vehicle. Rotate the jack handle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Fully tighten the wheel bolts. Remove the centre cap and stow the punctured wheel. Secure the wheel with the retaining nut. Replace the vehicle toolkit and the floor panel. Close the tailgate and don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.